Gagajoy at Gagajoy's Cooking, and our what we're cooking today is garlic pasta Asian style. This is so good, it's so quick, and it smells so good right now. And the first thing we do is you use 4 tablespoons of butter, and you put it in your wok. And it's 6 cloves of garlic, and I use the garlic press. It's so much easier for me. And about a tablespoon of oil. Now this has to go about 3 minutes, that's all. And be sure and keep it down on low because you know how garlic is. And I'll keep watching it and I'll fix. Now over here is, I've got my water getting ready to boil for my pasta. And I'm using 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. 2, let's see, oysters, as a tablespoon of oyster sauce. This is very dark and black. Sesame seed oil, it's 2 teaspoons full. I'll just use the same one, I know how much it is. Two teaspoons of that. 2, and now the soy sauce is 1 big tablespoonful. Put a little bit more on that on account of the other stuff. Oops. Stir my garlic here. And let's see, I got it all except brown sugar, oyster sauce, chili flakes, sesame seed oil, and some crushed garlic flakes. Now this, I'm going to go real easy on, but you use what you want to. And that may not be easy on it. Well, actually, they're pepper flakes. I call it, I think, my brain is stuck on garlic right now, but they are pepper flakes. And just be easy on them because, you know, they're very potent when they... Okay. Oh, it smells so good. Butter and garlic are just divine. Okay, now I'm going to cut this back and I'm going to put my pasta in. This is all there is to it. And I'm telling you, it's worth every minute you spend on it, and it's just minutes to spend on this. This is a whole pound of spaghetti, and I'm using about a half of it, so it's about a half a pound of spaghetti. So it'll take about 5 minutes for that. And then we'll have garlic pasta Asian style. Okay, now I'm getting ready to add all my spices to my garlic and butter. Just let them melt together for a second. I'll put it over here where it's still hot. I just got my spaghetti off and rinsed it. So just as quick as these heat up, we're going to marry the two. I heard this lady say that when you're in LA, this is one of the top recipes anytime you go to a Chinese shop. This is the garlic pasta is always on top. Okay, so we're going to put this in the bottom first. I know that doesn't seem like you should do it that way. And then you add your pasta and pull it up. Wow, does that smell good? And while this is real hot, you add about a half a cup of Parmesan. Now, Parmesan doesn't normally go with Asian food. Well, it doesn't go with Asian food. But they call this infusion. Anytime you add something that's not Asian, it's called an infusion. And most Asian foods are infusion now. So, there it is. Let me see. And you put you a few little green onions on it. I just want to taste it for a minute before it gets too hot. Put it in here while it's still getting hot. Well, yeah, we're going to eat that one. Oh gosh. It's sweet. It's spicy. It's everything you need it to be. See? Look how pretty, and look how pretty the color of the noodles are. Anyway, this has been a wonderful day. We're all tired. We're going to eat and have a good weekend. Remember the joy. We'll see you soon.